Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will show you how to change your email address in Last War Survival. If you ever need to change the email linked to your Last War Survival account, here's how you can do it. First, open up the game and head over to your user profile. You'll find it at the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on your profile, you'll see different tabs. Go ahead and select the Accounts tab. Inside Accounts, there's an option for email. Tap on that, and you'll see the currently linked email to your account. From here, the game will give you the option to change it. Just a quick heads up, there's a 90-day cooldown for unlinking or changing emails. That means once you switched it, you'll need to wait 3 months before you can do it again. Now, when you confirm that you want to change your email, the game will send a verification code to your current email address. Check your inbox, grab that number or digit code, and enter it back into the game. After that, you'll be asked to type in your new email address, and once you submit it, your account will be linked to that new email. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email in Last War Survival. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.